Automatic metal band saw is a sophisticated cutting tool that utilizes advanced technology to provide fully automated metal cutting processes, minimizing operator involvement while maximizing production efficiency. This machine is designed to cut through various types of metals, including steel, aluminum, brass, and copper, with high precision and accuracy. Automatic metal band saw is equipped with several features that enable it to operate independently. Machine's advanced sensing and measuring systems help to ensure that metal pieces are cut to precise. Additionally, machine's automatic feeding system allows for continuous feeding of the metal pieces, ensuring that materials are being cut as quickly and efficiently as possible. leno update automatic band saw machine compare with standard machine. This machine sawing speed increased by 50%. Saw blade life increased by 50%. Machine life increased by 50%.